So I'm going to talk about benchmarks. So many of you must see the, I mean, it's every week, right? There's a new model that's out. There's a new product. Satya Nadella is talking about the MMLU score for the latest model. And that's quite interesting in that actually the time that it takes, we've got time along the x-axis here, the time that it's taking for these new models to actually conquer these benchmarks is getting ever shorter. So this x-axis goes back to the pre-2000. You can see this research done by Epoch AI has shown that even for something very recent, like the GPQA, which is Google Proof Q&A, so it's a sort of graduate student physics, chemistry, science questions, the slope on that line is getting ever steeper, right? So what that means is somebody publishes a benchmark on the internet, people discuss it, the questions are out there, and then often the answers are out there as well. So when the model providers, or I think even Google did this very recently, they publish a new model, right there in the press release is the MMLU score. It's above 89%. Isn't that fantastic? But the problem is, once all the models are scoring above human level performance and hitting 80, 90, 95%, the value of the benchmarks are lower. If everyone's passing all of the questions and getting it right, then the value of that test is rapidly diminished. And also, a lot of the answers are out there and being scraped into the training data. So there's a pollution. The training data is being polluted with the answers to the questions. So a big problem with current benchmarks. And there are some techniques, which I'll talk about in a minute, about how we can try and sort of work around that.